early morning. Oh my god, it's so cold over here, guys. This is the first snow since we had, since when? 2000 and what? 15. Look at you.
Yeah.
Let me turn the camera over. Yep. It's icy, huh? Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, ooh, ooh. Oh, the water's so bright blue outside. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da.
So old, it's 19.
But people gotta walk their dogs. Hey guys, how y'all doing? It's cold out here, but money has to be made. I'm heading back home. Cannot wait to drink some hot tea. Oh my gosh, it's really cold, but I'm good though. All right guys, so I am doing laundry. It's early in the morning. I'm trying to get this laundry done because, you know, laundry gotta be done, you understand? So yes. Just like that, guys, I'm about to do this other laundry right here on the next machine. Then I will go ahead and get ready for work because I gotta work to eat. Guys, look at my hair. My hair did not last, but I feel actually, you know what? It kind of did last. My workouts, I haven't been sweating that much, but all in all, I'm good. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, morning, evening, wherever you are. And I am having a good day so far. God is good. I am awoke. Good things are happening in my life. Good things are happening in your life. And you got to believe it, not because God said, by your faith, you can move mountains. Alright guys, I will see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye. If you are a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome. Today's video is just a random haul video. But first of all, I really want to appreciate one of a mutual subscriber here on YouTube. So she sent me a gift card from Amazon. So this is how it looks like. It's like a little reindeer, and it has it says, "I am an ornament." So yeah, it's a Christmas gift card, and I'm just opening it now.
Guys, don't worry about me. Like, this is just me. When I buy things, I tend to open them very late. Like, I have a box that I bought early July from Fashion Nova, full of clothes. A box I haven't opened. It's still in the closet. I haven't opened it, and don't ask me why. But yeah, it's there. That's just me.
It's really cute. Here's a gift card, and this is how it looks like. So thank you very much. It's really cute. Yes. So I will put that into use. I might have to buy a Bible for my kids because they need to start reading that Bible. But yes, so that's what I'm planning. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So you know yourself. So thank you very, very much. So I'm gonna move on to the next thing, and the next thing is going to be these